Hey y'all, welcome back to Oh No Adventures. A few months back, you might have seen the video of us putting the Motobilt roof rack on the Gladiator. Well, today we're going to be putting it on our Wranglger. And again, you can see that Motobilt packages their stuff really well for shipping or pickup. And it comes bare metal with a protective coating on it, unless you pay extra to have them powder coat it or paint it for you. We spray brake clean on each piece and wipe them down really good to get that protective coating off. And with the roof rack, there's quite a few pieces, so it takes a little bit of time and effort to get everything ready and prepped. Now with everything prepped, it was ready to start painting, and once again we used the black Steelit. You can primer it if you want to with Rust-Oleum primer or your primer of choice, but you don't have to. If you do primer it, it will cut back on the amount of Steelit that you have to use, and the Steelit is quite a bit more expensive than your regular old Rust-Oleum paint, but we chose not to. We just put straight Steelit on it. And you use about 4 cans for the full roof rack. After it was all painted, we did let it sit in the garage and cure for a couple of days before putting it together and installing it. With everything put together, it was time to go back and tighten everything up. And yes, those are my wild Crocs. They're about 3 sizes too big, but they were only $12 on Amazon and I only wear them around the house, so I bought 2 pair. With everything good and tight, it was now time to put on the mounting brackets. With it all put together, it was time to put it on top of the Jeep. We learned a few things from the Gladiator install. We put the rock slide engineering steps in the down position, and we went over the side of the Wrangler. We did not attempt to go over the front to back. And remember, there's rubber pieces on the bottom of those brackets, so you can slide it on your roof without damaging it. And once it was up there, we just walked around and make sure that it was in the position it was supposed to be. With the rack in place, it was now time to put on the outside brackets. And there you go, a full roof rack from Motobilt, right here in the USA in Ozark, Alabama. This is not a paid advertisement. Again, we paid full price for this roof rack. We just like their products, and if you're in the market for a roof rack, we recommend that you check them out. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Oh no, no, no!